Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna continue my Chinese Zodiac sign series with the rabbit. I'm gonna use these colors that I mentioned there, and first I'm gonna use my Makeup Prep and Prime Fixing Spray and prime my face. Then I'm using my Garnier BB Cream as a foundation, and I'm thinking of switching my foundation and starting using a new, because I just got a new lamp and yeah, I need better coverage than this, because with shitty quality it's not looks like that, it's not perfect coverage, but with good qualities it looks like it's not a foundation, it's just a BB cream, and I don't have this beautiful clean face. Next I'm using a Bowlishi palette and I'm gonna use this purple color, and I'm just gonna do some how to say that, contouring thing, mostly where I usually put my bronzer to contour my face. And yeah, I heard a lot of times that why I do this contouring when I have a nice um, skinny face and good lines. I just love to do it, and I think it looks epic. Then I just blend it out with this big brush. Yeah, I'm a bit slow today, but don't worry. I just blended it out super nicely, and I was satisfied with the ending result, but I wanted to add a little bit more, and at the end it's gonna be looking super cool. So just adding, blending until I'm satisfied, totally satisfied with the end. Then I used the same color to fill my eyebrows, because when I'm doing these makeups I'm strictly using the colors is mentioned in the description of the zodiac sign. Now I'm using my NYX in Your Element Fire palette, and I'm gonna using that black color. I love this palette so much, and I'm just gonna add a little bit to the inner corner of my eyebrows. And I love doing these dark inner corners and lighter outer corners. I think they look super nice. And I'm using again this palette, but the red color. I love this red and black from this palette. And I'm using my Cat Line eyeliner stencil, this one, not the other, because I have two, a different one. Yeah, so I'm just applying the red eyeshadow like this with the stencil, and it looks nice at the end. I love using this, and I'm just doing a little bit blending there at the edges, because a good blending does miracles. Then I'm using my Garnier BB cream again to create this cut creasy looking thingy. So I just applied it from the inner corner of my eyelids, because I wanted to apply something else, and I wanted there a little bit stronger line between the two colors, and I just wanted to blend together at the outer corner. So that's why I did that, and this is the first time that I was able to do this and it looked good. Now I'm using this Bowlishi palette and blue color from it, and I applied it where I applied the Garnier BB cream before, and at the end I just blended together at the outer corner of my eyes, blended together the two colors, and yeah, it looks interesting. I want to say I was never told before that I'm gonna do something like this, that I'm gonna do this colorful blue and red eyeshadow. Then I'm using this Bowlishi palette and that pink color, I love these palettes, these blush palettes, and I'm just applied it under my waterline like this. And I did this a long time ago, so I don't know how this looked, but I wanted to give this cutesy rabbity look a little bit with these pinks. Then I'm using my Claire's blush that I really love to use. I use a lot, and I applied it like this a little bit under my eyes to look more cutesy. Then I'm using this eyeliner. I'm not always using eyeliners, but I wanted to do this, use eyeliner, this black color, to break a little bit these two intense colors. I wanted to make it nicer. Then I'm using my NYX Love You So Much Lit Life highlighter palette. I'm using this pink because we're sticking with these colors, and I'm applying on my cheekbones. I love this highlighter palette so much. I have only 2 highlighter palettes, but I love them so much. On both my nose, on my cupid bow, and then I'm using this Focallure liquid lipstick. They are so cute, so nice. This pink one, it's not really light and cute pink. Mostly I use stronger colors, but I wanted to use this cutesy pinky. Then my Kiss Proof red lipstick, and I added on top under it. Yes, the upper lips I used the pink, the down I used the red one. Yeah, I remember what I did. Sorry, I didn't have internet, so it was hard to do it. And I added a little bit pink eyeshadow on it. Then I'm using my Hang Fang blue mascara to top it all, and it doesn't seeable. I don't know how to say that, but it looked nice. Then I added this purpley but mostly blue jewelry set. Oh, I had a long hair back then. It's a really old video. I waited a long time to edit this, but I had a lot of stuff to do else, and I had no time. But I'm gonna be better, I promise. I try to do stuff and not wait months with finishing the video. So yes, I added this jewelry set that I really love. I have 3 sets like this. Okay, so that's the finished look. I think it's looking nice. One of my best makeups. So I made from this. So if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lot of link in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye!